Alright, so the question goes like this. A plant virus, okay, is found to consist of uniform cylindrical particles of 150 angstroms in diameter. That means the radii is 75 angstroms, okay, and their length is 5000 angstroms. Now, I hope what 1 angstrom means is clear to you. 1 angstrom is 10 to the power of minus 10 meter or 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters. Okay. Now, the specific volume of the virus is also given to be 0.75 centimeter cube per gram. Now, if the virus is considered to be a single particle, then its molar mass will be equal to how much? Now, I also hope you know what molar mass means. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole, of the entity, whichever thing we are talking about. Okay. Now, let's start with the specific volume. Okay. What do we mean by specific volume? Specific volume is the reciprocal of the density of a substance. Okay. 1 by d of a substance is its specific volume. That means it is equal to how much? The volume upon the mass. Okay. Now, we know that, it's given that the plant virus is a cylindrical entity. That means its volume, okay, volume of one cylindrical plant virus, okay, would be equal to pi r square L, okay, because that's the volume of a cylinder, right? This, if you put the values, of pi, r and L into this, you'll get 3.14 multiplied by r, which is 75 angstroms, and 1 angstrom is, as I had stated over here, 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters. So 10 to the power of minus 8 whole square multiplied by L, which is 5000 angstroms. So 5000 multiplied by, once again, 10 to the power of minus 8. If you multiply this entire thing, you will get 8.83 times 10 to the power of minus 17 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of one such virus. Okay. So therefore the mass of one virus would be equal to the volume of the virus upon the specific volume. Okay, and this would become how much? 8.83 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 17 divided by 0.75 centimeter cube per gram. Okay, and this would give me 1.1775 times 10 to the power of minus 16 grams. So this is the mass of one virus. Therefore, its molar mass would be equal to this number, 1.1775, okay, that's into 10 to the power of minus 16 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 grams. Okay, so this is going to give me 70.92 into 10 to the power of 6 grams. So this is going to be the molar mass of the virus. And out of the 4 choices, C is therefore the correct answer.